let's talk about the top 4 leadership skills that you need for your success. Being a leader, a true leader, is not about your title or position within the company. That title or position is the platform and the opportunity to do the real work, to have real lasting impact on people and processes. Now, leadership is a process of becoming. You become the type of person who has the skills, has the spirit, and the know-how for bringing people and processes to their peak performance. So the question is, how? What do you need to learn and know in order to truly lead in the most powerful way in today's challenging and forever changing market? So here are the 4 leadership skills that you absolutely need in order to succeed as a leader in today's market. Number 1 is relationship building. Before anything else, leadership is a relationship. Yes, leadership is all about relationship building. Studies show consistently that by fueling our human psychological need for belonging, meaningful workplace connections drive many of the outcomes that are so important for high-performing teams. For starters, employees with close connections at work are more productive, more creative, and they just report being more satisfied with their job. They're a lot less susceptible to burnout and are far less likely to leave their organization to pursue another role. In other words, not only that they are better contributors, they also provide more stability to the team. Number 2, agility and adaptability. Adaptability and agility have emerged as crucial for successful leadership in today's fast-paced, constantly changing corporate environment. Agile and adaptable business executives are better equipped to react quickly to altering customer tastes, new technology, and changing market circumstances. They can encourage innovation and creativity, foresee upcoming trends, and take appropriate action. They can also work well with their colleagues. The 3rd skill is decision making. AI and data analytics are extremely helpful. For example, data analytics can track employees' engagement and identify when someone is at risk of leaving the company. Use AI to provide you with the data that you need in order to engage with your team and motivate them so that it opens your eyes to what is actually going on and how to make the best decisions based on that data analysis. A decisive leadership is a winning leadership, and to decide, you need not just the right mindset, but also the right data and tools. Number 4, innovation. Here are some important stats on workplace innovation. A recent survey by PwC found that 75% of workers believe that innovation is key to their job satisfaction. Recent research from Deloitte found that organizations with a strong culture of innovation have higher levels of employee engagement and lower turnover rates. The use of AI and other automation is a major driver of workplace innovation. Companies that invest in workplace innovation see an average increase of 5 to 10% in productivity. Workplace innovation is a key factor in improving employee satisfaction, productivity, and competitiveness in the modern business world. The adoption of workplace innovation practices is on the rise, driven by increasing importance of innovation and the availability of technology to support it. As technology advances and the importance of innovation in the workplace continues to grow, make sure that you make room for innovation and prioritize it every day. Remember, leadership is a process of becoming. The world changes every day, and so are the skills that are needed in order for you to thrive in leadership and life. Invest in yourself, learn the skills, be open to new ways of doing things, and you'll thrive.